Did you know that your Apple AirTag actually has a removable battery? No? Well, in this video, we're gonna learn how to change it. What is good, everybody? It's your boy Anthony and welcome back to the channel. So today we are learning how to change an AirTag battery. The Apple AirTag is one of the easiest products in Apple's catalog to change a battery on. You're just gonna need a few things first. The first thing you're gonna need is, of course, your Apple AirTag. The next thing you're going to need are CR2032 batteries. And last but not least, you are going to need your iPhone. I'm using my iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I absolutely love, and I have a review coming out here very, very soon, so be sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that video. Now that we have everything that we need, let's go ahead and open up our batteries, and then we'll open up the AirTag. All right, so now that we got our 2032 battery out, let's go ahead and open up our AirTag. The easiest way to do this, and the way that I prefer to do it, is actually by taking two fingers, pushing down and moving to the left. That will pop it right out. So let's go ahead and pop out the old one. But it's really easy, it just pops right out. Since we have our good battery right here, we're gonna just place it right in there. And we're gonna take this, and you see there's gonna be some prongs here. Okay, and you're gonna see there's a plus sign here. This is where the plus sign matches up to the plus sign on the battery. And let's go ahead and place them back pretty much in their spot. You're gonna press down with two fingers again, and you're gonna twist to the right this time, and it will be set. So that is how you change an Apple AirTag's battery. It is a lot simpler than you would expect, especially from Apple. So now I can make sure I don't lose my keys anymore. Now, if you wanna see a video on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, make sure you click right over here to show the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'll see you next time, guys.